Please.
Cooperation and coordination in COVID times.
Right.
Slide number 2 indicates the location which I just mentioned to you, and location details I have given in slide number 3. That is, it is 50 ground plus 3 structures and common utilities market. What does it consist? Kind of a small township, sir. Yeah. Then Corona struck. If you have ever visited Mumbai, I am not sure, but this KEM hospital, which was considered to be a hub of corona activity, and also Sion Hospital, is just about 2-3 kilometers, sir, from our place. And to even the responsibility kind of fell on us, sir. People used to come for health insurance and all that, and then they would come with a problem that this is what has happened, corona testing. And there was, like I indicated, we started as a pure insurance firm, but then we got involved in all other activities like reaching the patients to hospitals, like I have indicated in vehicles. Then after insurance, the slide is the next slide of the vehicles. So we had to find out some innovative solutions. Like, for example, we had to get a hold of this hand carts and fruit carts, or sabzi carts, or whatever you may call it. And we had to carry patients there. I had to organize a little team of youngsters. And this was the no taxis were available, sir, and ambulance were charging exorbitant rates. They would charge for 2 kilometers 10,000, 15,000, and all that. So our first task became, in addition to providing insurance services, this carry. Then, sir, next was the claims. How to register the claims with the insurance. Although the insurance companies I had were very decent ones, New India, Oriental, Religare, as also Signat. But this video presentations had to be done. How will you register the claims? How will you help and the finances are already dried up. Most of the youngsters were working at 50-60% of the salaries, and some had lost jobs also. So it became a full-time job, sir, to convince the companies of the genuinity of the claims. And cashless hospitals were there very few, because KM also ran out. Some 2 kilometers queue was formed, and that's how we progressed. Then we kind of designed some teams to remain alert for 24/7. At one point, sir, around my building, about 8 buildings had corona patients. And it was becoming a challenge. Everybody, some tests will be conducted, somebody will be found positive, and so on and so forth, like everywhere practically in India. But this being a Mumbai, it became a hub of this activity. So what I have written is became a model for any calamity. Volunteers came forward and became a group activity. This is a mixed locality. All majority Hindus, some Muslims, and some Christians. But it didn't matter in that. It's also predominantly mill workers area, but now slowly developing into other areas also. So religions did not matter, caste did not matter, and poor and well-off did not matter, because everybody was facing all these difficulties. And kind of, I have concluded that it remains to be seen whether COVID-19 will make leaders realize that no one country, or for that matter any locality, can face these challenges, terrorism, or finally pandemics alone. And cooperation for crisis response, scaling up medical capacity for treatment. These are the general points, sir. So conclusion is this. In that, I would like to mention, sir, one innovative attempt we made. One music therapy classes were being conducted. So the teacher there approached us that the people who have come out of corona, can we use music therapy so that their recovery is fast? And we certainly liked the idea and encouraged it. And those sessions kind of helped. They kept the morale high. The results were tangible, somewhat better equipped, and some activity was there in that community center. finally internationally coordinated fiscal and monetary policies in tandem with support of this. So this is the kind of submission, sir. Thanks for patient listening.
Thank you. Just tell me, how did you ensure safety of your own volunteers during COVID time?
Sir, there was a unique agency called this for Corona. Special agency was formed, and they were equipped with PPE kits, sir. The first time we got to know of it, we were really surprised that a special agency is working in Mumbai and in this area. So the volunteer who came to us for the first time service, he was so competent. He said, "You leave the patient to me. Just give me one room, and you don't have to talk to doctors. You don't have to do anything." From that we expanded, sir, and then we kind of we requested whether you can train our volunteers. He was equipped with PPE kits, and we will go to a medicine shop, get the medicines, give food, everything, and his rest period would be 2-3 hours. For 7 days he will be there with the patient, sir. So that unique agency gave us some idea, and it gave us some kind of further road how to tackle all this, because sir, to be honest,
Hope you will be
home
active
people,
again.
yes sir.
For Omicron threat, no? Seeing the
Yeah.
Omicron threat, I think you will have to be active again.
My God, sir, really touch wood. But so far it is mild, sir. But we realize that these home people, our relatives and all that, they are not that competent. I mean, they love the patient, everything. But this pandemic was such that they were not able to help. So
We
this
appreciate that.
agency, of course, they were charging little high. It was prohibitive also, 3,000 rupees per day. But then our volunteers, when they took over after learning from them, then it kind of helped us.
Okay.
Omicron, sir, so far as I understand, it is somewhat mild. So far, I mean, touch wood.
Yeah, let's hope so. Let's hope so. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So kind of you, sir.
Good work.
Yeah.
How did you manage the medical facilities when the hospitals were already overcrowded?
Yeah, about medical facilities, after about 15 days, government allowed home quarantine. And that was the time when we could really, because KM was having 3 kilometers queue, sir, for getting entry. And there was no
That's why my question is.
Yes, sir. So through our local MLAs, we suggested that permit them to get quarantined at home. And with that, Hinduja Hospital opened a cell to give service on this video, and then other hospitals followed. So that was the kind of medical guidance. But medical shops, to be fair, they were open because KM is such a hub that around lot of chemist shops are there. So medical shops were there, but medical assist, as you rightly said, sir, it was available from hospitals like Hinduja, Shushruja, somewhat after home quarantine. That was the only option we had, sir.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Yes, sir.